Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Benelux Cloud Adventure. My name is Alessandra. I'm an account manager here at AWS in the Netherlands. In today's episode, we are going to hear from Qonqord and how they modernize their IT infrastructure by migrating to AWS. So, joining us today is our special guest, Hans Fermont. Hi, Hans, and welcome.
Alessandra, nice being here.
Hans, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Hans Fermont, and I'm a partner at Qonqord, and I've been there for about 15 years now.
And let's start from the beginning. Can you tell us a bit about Qonqord?
Yeah, so we are a platform service provider that delivers a platform for our clients that enables them to create content in the most efficient way. And we've been doing that in the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, Iberia, and Belgium. But basically, our customers work throughout Western Europe, some of them outside, and that's basically what we do.
And can you give us some context about Qonqord's mission and what it means?
Yeah, our mission is to make brands and publishers perform better. And what that means is that there are 4 key components that we help our customers with. So that's process, that's systems or platform, it's people, and it's data. And essentially, we help our customers to manage their content processes in the best way, making sure that they have the right systems in place, system components, that they have the right people working on the right content, and that we have the right data as well to continuously improve the content management process. And that's what we call content orchestration.
Thank you for the overview. And what are the challenges you solve for customers?
Well, typically the content management processes of our customers are very complex. And so that means that we always need to make sure that typically we are dealing with different systems that need to be integrated. We are dealing with many data points, and we are dealing with many actors in the content management process. So that could be creative marketing, that could be the CDO or CMO office, IT, but also external actors such as agencies, creative agencies, potentially distributors, that all have to deal with this content in some way. And that's what we do, is actually create a process that makes that integrates all these components in the most efficient way, so that our customers can focus on what they do best, is to create creative content for their end consumers.
Of course. And related to those challenges, how AWS help the business to implement solutions to solve those challenges?
Yeah, so one of the main things that we've done over the last few years is making sure that we were able to focus again on our advisory and on our development initiatives. So we've brought back a lot of the time we spent on actually managing infrastructure. We're using as many standard AWS components as we can. And that basically has reduced a lot of the time we spend managing the platform. And that also gives us a lot more time to spend on innovation and new developments.
And we work together for 2 years now. Do you have any tangible achievements or result of migrating to AWS?
Yes, I think there's a few things. So first of all, on the business side, we see that we've been able to double our business over the last 3 years, leveraging actually with more or less, with the limited growth in people, but leveraging the AWS technology and helping us to onboard more customers. The second part is that on the cost side, we've also been able to have much better fit for our business in terms of the cost of infrastructure. And that also means for our clients that everything that we do is actually tailored to their needs, and that they also get the most cost-efficient solution from us.
Great to hear. And internally, how AWS helped to ease the delivery process?
If you look at how we did things several years back, it might have taken us 2 weeks, right, to deliver a basic platform for a client. Right now, we can do this in a few days or a few hours. And that's a platform with quite complex components. So that's a big improvement. If we look at the containerization part that we've taken from ECS, that has helped us to deploy parts of the architecture in a much more rapid way, and also to redeploy things if necessary. So that's been a big improvement. And then I think if you look at the delivery of our software, in essence, the all CI/CD pipelines that we're using from AWS has basically reduced our development cycle times by 50%.
Great. Yes, CI/CD automation is really the core part of modernization. So happy to hear that. And finally, Hans, what is next for Qonqord?
There's three major things that we're focusing on. So first of all is the training of our staff. And that goes from everyone from accounting and sales down to the technology staff and the consultants in such a way that we really get the best out of AWS and our technology, and that we focus on innovation from where we are today. That means that we will also focus on several things like AI or DevOps or solution architecture. The second thing is that we are redeveloping all our 400 plus integrations and applications that we've developed over the years, and everything will be based on AWS microservices. Will be focused completely on being more compliant with market standards today, and making sure that we have agnostic solutions for customers so that it's a lot easier to maintain and to integrate into their own architectures. Yeah, and the third part is actually that we are focusing on delivering very specific solutions that will be sets of microservices basically that can be either for industries such as museums, publishing, broadcasting, and that are really industry solutions that we can sell through the marketplace. And the other one is more functionally focused solutions that are also based on AWS technology and that will fit completely into our architecture. So you're working with a headless CMS vendor, for example. We're working with a video MEM specialist, and those solutions will be very complementary to what we deliver today and make us ready for the future, basically.
And will be integrated with all the solutions they're providing for customers.
Correct, yeah.
Great to hear. So thank you, Hans. It was really insightful, and thank you for your time.
It was great being here. Thanks for the invitation.
And thank you, everybody, for watching this episode. If you want to know more about Qonqord modernization journey, I invite you to watch the technical deep dive. See you soon.